Yo, what's going on, boys? Back again with another video. I just broke my head mount. I think I have another one though, so I'm gonna set that up for y'all. But back again with another POV. We're gonna hit some sick roads today. It's a bunch of hills, like canyons kind of. I actually made a POV there maybe like a week ago, and it was recorded on my phone, so I'm going there with the GoPro today. And I just found out my GoPro can actually record in 4K. So do another POV for y'all. I won't do too much talking. Just let me know what you guys think about the audio, if you guys like how the GoPro sounds, and if the quality looks good as well. Yeah, this is my 2016 340i. Everything that's done to the car is in my description. Just a quick summary though. It's stage 2 on MHD, stage 3 XHP, lower than H&R Super Sport Springs, catless downpipe, full straight pipe exhaust. But I didn't just cut the muffler, the resonator off. It's an actual straight pipe exhaust. And just one more little thing, if you guys want to grab your stove plate, feel free to check it out, link in the description. For the plate, if you guys are wondering, y'all see that little red light right back there. Let me just show y'all a quick demonstration. You can see my plate right now. If I turn it off, this little red dot. But yeah, y'all can put that wherever y'all want. I just chose to put it back there. I got my little ski mask on. But if you guys mess with this video, there's a bunch of these spots like close to my area. So if you guys mess with these videos, like these hill climbs, just let me know. I can make a bunch more of them on different roads for y'all. But yeah, enjoy the video. Alright boys, you guys know me. I just gave y'all a little walk around, but I'm gonna give you guys another one. I believe the road starts right up there. There's hella cars passing too. They probably think I broke down. I can't even get no good pictures. Too much cars are passing by. These roads are not the best though. We are in Mexico, so damn, it is hella busy today. Usually it's way more dead, but you just try to do a U-turn somewhere. It look like they got a sick lane right here. why not take on this road? I don't know what it's like, nor where it leads to, but I'm gonna find out. Yo, I actually messed with like houses like these. Like if I had to pick somewhere to live, I feel like I low-key pick something like this. Hey, this shit goes far as f, and the houses up here are crazy. Oh yeah, I think it just ends right here, but I'm about to turn back around. Damn, I had my AC on this whole time. I almost forgot that speed bump, bro. I was stuck behind this Tesla the whole time. Maybe I had an opportunity to pass him, but I low-key just felt like there would be cops somewhere. There wasn't, but you know, sometimes you get that feeling.